Hi yo guys, what's up? I'm finally back with another video, and in today's video I'll show you how you can update your Fortnite seed in less than probably like 5 minutes. So yeah. So here for this example on how to update the Fortnite seed, I'll use my city as base. So I'm gonna build it. I've already loaded the driver, so I'll have to load it again. Alright. So as you guys can see, like all of the offices are called, but if I go into the game and enable box aimbot, like if I go into the game, wait a minute. You'll see that if I go into the game, it won't actually work. Like, no cap, nothing would work, like you'll see right now. So I've already updated the base in my GitHub. You can find it updated already. But I'm showing this for people who don't want to use my base and want to update their own paste or their own cheat, and they struggle or they don't know how, or I don't know. So yeah, as you guys can see, nothing works. I have visuals enabled and everything, and nothing works. So let me unload this and let me show you how to update it in less than 5 minutes. So I have my the offices in my GitHub. So click on that. And I got updated visual tech, camera, and offices. So basically what you do is copy the offices. You copy the offices you want and the offices you need, and you paste them into your offsets thing. So that's the new world game instance. Local players and play controller is still the same. I don't know if local pawn is changed. No. Pawn private. Same. Relative location is not the same. Play state is not the same. So you basically just update your offices, which is pretty easy to do. You just replace all the offices with the new ones. And if you need more offsets, like you miss some offsets, like you might have in your source code, I don't know, maybe some other offsets that I don't have in my GitHub, you can find more offsets in GitHub. Just type like Fortnite offsets updated shit, find them, or just join my Discord server and I'll send you. Anyways, so player array, same. Is still the same. Component to world is changed. Bone, alright, has changed. This is the same. Submit time changed, and I don't know if this one is the same. Velocity still the same. I just updated the offsets. But if I build it and go into the game again and enable, as you guys can see, I updated the offsets, but nothing works. So we'll have to go into our SDK and update the visible chat, which is not needed. Like, I mean, it is needed, but like, just updated. This is just visible tech. It doesn't have anything to do with the ESP not rendering correctly or whatever. When you update these visible shit, visible check shit. If I build it again, it won't work. Again, it won't work because I haven't changed the camera yet. So as you guys can see, enable box doesn't work. And now, we need to update the camera. So basically, what you do, is go in the updated camera.h, and I've got you 3 different camera methods you can use. Depend on your source code or whatever. All of 3 of them are updated. They're just like different methods. And by the way, it depends on the source you're using. Like not everything is the same, so copy pasting into your source won't really help you. But instead, you could just go here, change those values right here, which this is outdated. So we need the 130 from 128 to 130, and from 138 to 140. So this is the location, and this is the rotation you need to update. And this is the same, so you don't have to change this, but there is something you need to change here. So if you're using player controller and wait, this nigga's alright. So if you're using player controller, you should leave it 0x3ac. But if you're using local players here, you need to change this to 0x4ac. But in my source I use player controller, so I'm gonna leave it 0x3ac. By the way, if you use if you select, like, depends on the method you select to use. For example, if you use this method, which is as you guys can see, some things change. So like, instead of 90, you could try 90, but if it doesn't work with 90, you can try this one, which is 2. So you can try 2 right here. And then you gotta like put this like right here. You should have this error, which is fixable. Just go here, include numbers, and then make sure your Visual Studio project is on the latest version, and this should be fixed. But I'm not gonna use this method. But if you use this method, just do what I did. For this method, which is local player 0x4ac, you need to remove this 90f to, and this is how it works. Just change it. It depends. So as I said, I don't use local player, I use player controller. So what I'm gonna do is basically here you gotta add the read thing. So make sure you do read here, because if you don't do read, it won't work basically. So I think everything correct. Let me just double check it real quick. Yeah. So make sure you do read here. That means like your driver is reading that, because if you don't put read here and you put something else, anything else, I don't know, it won't work. So when you update your camera, you should just build it. Alright, we're into the game. Enable box. And as you guys can see now, the box renders. And the visible check works because I just updated it. Boom. You guys see it? This guy has Black Knight flexing on me. And the aimbot should work too. Let me show you. Let me just put everything on so you can see that everything works. Let me just take some random ass guns. As you guys can see, aimbot works. I just have high smoothness. Let me just turn smoothness down. As you guys can see, it works. So that's how you update your cheat. So you basically gotta update the offsets, the camera, and the visible check if you use visible check on your cheat. So I mean, you should use visible check, but if you don't use this, don't use it. And that's it. That was the video. It's 10 minutes, but it took 10 minutes to explain to you what you need to do. Like, it should take 5 minutes instead. So easy. So yeah, nothing else is changed in this season, so you don't have to update anything else, just camera, offsets, and visible check. But if like more updates come to the game, you might have to update some more shit. Maybe get entity bone, or some shit. Like, it depends on what scenes in the game, but for now that's the update. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all now know how to update your cheat, basically. Join my Discord server if you need any help. I could probably help you. And if you for some reason cannot still update your cheat for any reason, I don't know, and you just want to find an updated source code which works and shit, just go on my GitHub. And here it is, Fortnite external base. It works with the new Fortnite update, and I'll update it for every Fortnite update. Same with the offsets. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, sub, comment down below anything you want, questions or whatever. I don't know. Join my Discord server if you need any help, or I don't know. And see you guys in the next video. Have a nice one.